The next thing we want to explain to you is the cantilever. This tube here and its friend on the other side is the basis of a cantilever that we're going to build right in front of you. Now, following certified training by us, you can put this height at anywhere you want on the system. And the cantilever gives you the opportunity to stand outside of the main system footprint. And the way we're going to build it is using an alternative low board top. This is in fact aluminum, and it has an aluminum frame on the back. Now, it is exactly the same low board as before, complete with a hatchway. We've just got a different low board aluminium top, and that's going to fit perfectly on the system. Now, it fits perfect on the system because LOBO is a premium system and everything fits properly to everything else. What we need to do though is to make this tube load bearing. And the way we're going to do that is using a sway brace. So this sway brace can be fitted up like that or from the underneath. Now, this component is not new to you. It is exactly the same as the one we put on earlier, so hopefully you'll remember it's telescopic, and we draw it back to the main leg and simply connect. We'd like to also show you the safety features on this, and if you look at this, the low board cannot lift up, and clearly it cannot come off the system, so it is secure. If you'd like to schedule your own personal demonstration, we'd be delighted to hear from you. LOBOsystems.com, and we look forward to meeting you face to face.